Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, welcome to our another video number 10. How to save our equipment and plants during earthquake. These are the lessons learned from Japan earthquake on March 11, 2011. Magnitude of earthquake 9 caused a devastating tsunami in Japan on 11th March 2011 at 2:45. A leak on a LPG pipe is detected at 3:35 p.m. in a refinery located within a large petrochemical complex in the Bay of Tokyo. Due to that, exactly after 13 minutes, the leak ignites and spreads to the adjacent spherical tanks stocking liquefied butane and butylene. What causes the gas leak? Initial leak of the LPG by crushing of a pipe resulting from the collapse of an overhang spear filled with water for hydraulic test after the first shock of the main earthquake. And design of the structure adopted to the seismic risk for a gas did not take into account the overload due to the filling of the tank with water. This is the main reason for the failure of the tank due to its full weight of water. And the pneumatic control was shunted open following earlier problems which could have automatic shut down the transfer of the gas pipeline. And the temporary closing of the valve could not be implemented due to the large LPG pool. Due to this fire broke which is uncontrollable. So the lesson learned from this accidental catastrophic failure is reduction of the duration of the water presence in the spheres in hydraulic tests. In the new sphere design, additional loads from water, especially seismic loads, should be taken into account, increasing the flexibility of new on-site gas transport pipeline to accommodate large multidirectional displacements during major earthquakes, and the final emergency shut-off valves of critical equipments. Their faults should be repaired in a short time. Thank you for watching this video.